Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to do a screen record on iPhone. So here actually I already do the screen record to explain in the tutorial for you today. So the way how to screen record on my phone is just you need to take a look on the top side. That will be like a control center area, which is this part on the right side. So whenever you slide this part into the down side, you will be able to access the control center, and one of the button there will be a button for recording the screen, which is this side. But then if you haven't found this icon, you need to add it into the control center first. How to do that? Open your settings, and right after that just scrolling down and click this control center. Go click it and make sure that this screen recording is already added. If the screen recording is not in the top box here, means that your screen recording button is still in the controls options down here. So you just need to find an icon with the circles and with the red signs here, and then you just need to click the plus button to make it like up line on the top side here, so that you will have an access to screen record easily into the control center. So that is the way how to do screen record on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.